All right, Jabari's standing by. He's in our backup studio with us as well, just across the way with what's going on social media, really giving us some perspective of the aftermath of the storm. Yeah, these videos are unbelievable, Jabari.
Yeah, and these videos, you know, they keep coming in. And first of all, good morning, everybody. And I want to, you guys were talking earlier about how dangerous it is right now, especially, you know, to drive at night. And I want to show you guys something right here that we tweeted on our Facebook page. Check out this tree that was uprooted. Like it didn't snap, but it literally came out of the ground. This was just minutes from downtown St. Pete. Trees were uprooted. Basically, and you know, when it's dark outside, guys, you can't see things like this. You got to think about it. You know, there aren't any street lights, there aren't any store lights. It's really dark, which is one big reason why they don't want people driving out right now. I want to show you guys this. This is a flooded station, fire station over in Naples that somebody got here. Just take a look at all these firefighters. You know, they're trying to get things in order here as they're dealing with surge waters. But some good news for these guys right here. Check this out. This was just hours later. The water has receded from Naples Fire Station 1, and these crews have been working around the clock. So to, you know, and they have to get out of there, guys. You know, they have to do rescues and stuff like that this morning. Now, I do want to try to leave on, you know, try to find something good out of the bad. And I want to show you guys this rescue right here. Somebody captured this moment when it was really windy, it was raining, and somebody noticed the dog, I believe, on this boat. And somebody actually, another person risked their life to get on this boat, as you can see right here. Yeah, to get the dog. You see, he got him right there.
And a cat.
Yeah, we showed you guys earlier about the cat that somebody...
Oh, there's a cat
There's a
here.
dog and a cat.
There's a dog and a cat in this?
That's what it
the
says.
tweet
Yeah,
says.
that's at least what it
Oh, that
Yeah,
sweet dog. Oh.
Wow. And
Oh
there
my
he goes.
gosh, the fur baby.
Yeah, so this is, you
So
know...
happy to be rescued. Look at him.
Not something necessarily recommended, you know, this is really dangerous, but you know, as an animal lover, I
No, you know, everybody,
understand.
we have so many people who have dogs and
Yeah,
cats
absolutely.
and all kinds of things at home, and they become part of your family. If you have a dog, you know that is your baby.
And I just want to remind everybody that we are streaming and we have more information on 10tampabay.com. We're on YouTube, guys. We're on Twitter. We're on Instagram. And we also have a free 10 Tampa Bay app that you can follow us on. And there's a Near Me section where you can send your own videos and your own photos, and it kind of tells the area where you're at.
Safely, please.
Safely.
Safely.
Yes, and of course, with so many people without power this morning, streaming is the only way that a lot of people
Right,
are
of
even
course.
getting these
waiting
updates
for,
here today.
You showed me earlier too, is it the CBS tweet of Jabari was alluding to the boyfriend that saved his girlfriend's cat, and he's like, he's everybody's boyfriend today.
The quote was, yeah, he's everybody's boyfriend now for going out and risking to get
Risking
the cat.
his life for the cat.